everybody, my new car cover just came in. Let's go unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so let's open our car cover. I love the little bag it comes in first. This is great. I love the padded look to it. It's a snow cover and it has 4 layers and consists of PVA aluminum foil, and it's needle punched. You can see that right here. It's cotton, silk cotton, and non-woven materials. And the surface is aluminum foil. It can withstand high temperatures, and it also is fine composite cotton. And it's not only fireproof, but it also has a buffering effect that's great on the falling of dust and particles. It has a fixed rope hook, and it also has magnets, which make it different from other winter windshield covers. 2 fixed ropes are added on the left and the right sides. There are 7 strong magnets that are embedded inside the cover, and there are 2 ears that clip to the middle of the car door to ensure that it can be used in bad weather as well. Fits tightly to the windshield. Safety reflective warning stripes on the hood to protect the rear view mirror to avoid scratches and icing at night. Protect car windshields and mirrors at the same time. This is amazing.